We now live in a world where every question you have, every decision you make, every task you perform is guided not by your own mind, but by an artificial intelligence. From writing your essays, creating your art, even managing your finances, AI is quietly taking over more of our daily lives than we realize. And here's the question nobody wants to ask. Are we using AI, or is AI starting to use us? By the end of this video, you might never look at your devices the same way again. Cognitive atrophy, the neuron decay problem. Cognitive atrophy refers to the gradual decline or deterioration of cognitive abilities such as memory, attention, problem-solving, reasoning, and critical thinking, usually due to disuse, aging, neurological disease, or environmental factors. Essentially, it's the shrinking or weakening of the mind's mental capacities over time. The human brain is a use-dependent organ. Neuroscientists have proven neural pathways strengthen with repeated use. Synaptic connections weaken with neglect. Whole cognitive skills fade when offloaded. This is the whole process of cognitive atrophy. AI accelerates it. Why? Because AI removes the struggle required for thinking, and struggle is what builds intelligence. When AI solves problems for you, the brain literally stops reinforcing the circuits required to solve them. That's not metaphor, that's physiology. The dependency cycle, learned helplessness. There's a phenomenon in psychology called learned helplessness. When an organism stops trying because it expects something else to handle the difficulty. AI has created a new form of this. Cognitive learned helplessness. People now feel mentally paralyzed without a model telling them what to write, what to think, what steps to take, what opinion to hold. The more AI helps, the more the brain expects help. The expectation becomes dependency. Dependency becomes incapacity. A generation is emerging that cannot function intellectually without permission from a machine. The extended mind failure. Philosophers call tools like phones and AI an extended mind, and external support for memory and reasoning. But here's the catch. Externalizing thought works only if the internal mind remains strong enough to challenge, interpret, and question the external tool. Most people are not doing that. Instead of extending the mind, they are surrendering the mind. AI makes the user feel intelligent without requiring intelligence. This is the psychological equivalent of steroids, artificial performance without real capacity. The death of deep thinking. Attention, collapse. Cognitive scientists differentiate between two forms of thinking. System 1, fast, shallow, automatic. System 2, slow, deep, analytical. AI reinforces System 1. It destroys System 2. Because why analyze when the machine gives instant conclusions? Why reflect when the model generates answers? Why concentrate when a chatbot collapses complexity into a paragraph? Deep thinking requires boredom, contemplation, silence, mental endurance. AI eliminates all four. We are losing not only intelligence, but the capacity for intelligence. Memory erosion, digital dementia. Doctors now describe a rising condition called digital dementia, the weakening of memory due to constant technological outsourcing. AI accelerates it dramatically. Humans now outsource working memory, which includes notes, reminders, semantic memory, which includes facts, definitions, episodic memory, decisions, life planning, creative memory, ideas, brainstorming. When you no longer recall information, you no longer understand it. Retention is the foundation of reasoning. If memory collapses, intelligence collapses with it. Creativity loss, template thinking. Here's the part nobody wants to admit. AI is not just giving people answers, it is standardizing their thoughts. When everyone uses the same models, stories start to sound the same. Arguments start to repeat, ideas become predictable, imagination becomes outsourced. Creativity is not born from convenience. Creativity is born from constraint, friction, and originality. AI removes all of them. We're not just becoming less intelligent, we're becoming less human. The meta-psychosis, a society that can't think. A single person losing critical thinking is a problem. A society losing it is a crisis. AI erodes skepticism, independent judgment, the ability to detect propaganda, the ability to resist manipulation, the ability to form unique conclusions. When a population loses its ability to think, it becomes governable not by force, but by suggestion. You don't need dystopian dictators. You only need dependency. Humanity is entering a state psychologists call collective cognitive offloading, a situation where entire societies stop thinking for themselves. That is not technological progress, that is civilizational regression. Warning: AI isn't replacing human intelligence, it's replacing the need for human intelligence, and nothing kills a skill faster than removing the need for it. Humanity won't collapse in violence or chaos, it will collapse in convenience, not with rage, but with relief, because when a machine thinks for you, the mind slowly forgets how to think at all. So the question is no longer, is AI becoming smarter? The real question is, are we letting ourselves become dumber? If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.